Kasuma 500cc 4x4 full automatic. Color is maple brown. Full automatic 500cc 4x4. May selector din siya. Pwede siyang 4x2, pwede siyang 4x4. With electric winch and tow ball. Yung haba niya, magi 8 feet. Pwede 3 tao. Tapos yung kaya niya hanggang 2 tons. Hilain, tsaka doon sa tow ball. Yan. Mugs type. Mugs. 12 inches mugs, 2023 model. Digital monitor. With signal light hazard headlights. With radiator. With pull start and push start. Yan, two-way siya. Pwede siyang susian. Tapos pwede rin siyang dihatak. Yan. Full automatic. 2023 model. Hanggang 2 tons. Yan. Brand new.